the guys that wrote the Agile Manifesto when they said potential shippable code, right? It doesn't have to be in a production environment, but if we can get that code into a shippable product where it could potentially be pulled in, I think that's the whole idea and the essence behind agility, right? And
is that's how we speed things up, because now we have clarity on what it means to have requirements ready, if you will. We have built something, hasn't met the criteria for being done, and the acceptance criteria for us to deliver it at some point in time to the operators, right? So that's been huge. And again, if we think about waterfall and all that stuff, and it's the same thing. It's like, well, we really haven't defined anything. We're just kind of trudging along, and we're handing stuff down through these different phase gates. After a year, 2 years, or whatever, we'll eventually show it to the actual customer, in this particular case, the operators, for their feedback, right? And it's like, well, again, working in an agile way, it's like, hey, guess what? When we're working in 2-week sprints, we're getting feedback potentially every 2 weeks. So then we know, like, hey, are we on the mark? Even though we had a definition ready and definition defined, we still then have another check, which is like, hey, now we're actually going to demonstrate this stuff to the people who are going to use it, get their feedback, and find out, 100%. Is this what you're looking for? It's awesome, right? And that's what speeds things up. That's why leaning and really leveraging agile and lean practices is certainly helping.
Collaboration.
Exactly. Yeah. Yes, exactly.
Yeah.